Hello. People have asked me for a part 3, so here it is. I'm in the middle of developing this house, just throwing some furniture in there. Now, a couple of things I did which you might find interesting. I designed a kitchen inside the corner of the house and a bathroom. Now, this house only has one floor, so I made it a wheelchair sort of house, an accessible house. So a wheelchair people can live in here. Now this door is supposed to be 1010, I believe, for a wheelchair people. Let's have a check. Oh, that's too small. In fact, the clear width is from here. Way too small. They have to be larger. I'll have to check up about how large they have to be. But let's have a look into, well, you know what? There's some, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at this kitchen. So if I pop open the 3D, and here is the kitchen designed. All the work done for the kitchen. Now this is an area to put your wastebasket or bin. Now in this video I'm not really going to show how I did it because all it is, I've done the tutorial so many times. All you have to do is insert, load family, and just load all these families in and just design the kitchen. This model will go up on Patreon, so if you're interested in downloading this, it'll be on Patreon. We have a living room area. I'm still designing this here, a sort of partition in the ground floor. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I want it to be easy access from the kitchen to the dining area. But maybe the dining area should go here and this living room area should go around here. Now the bathroom here is designed to the M43 document for disabled access. So we have a 1500 diameter space for a wheelchair to move around in easily. Nothing should cross this line, and it's okay if the door crosses the line because the wheelchair can go in, turn around, shut the door. And these dimensions here are according to the M43 document. I have a door here at 810 wide. Now I need to double check. I had a doubt over here. How wide is this door? So we're measuring from them. Jambs. DI. I bet it's the same. Yeah, it is the same door. Oh, wrong one. Well, if I select one door and select all visible in view, it should highlight all of them. So they're all the same. I'll have to double check this door, but I'm pretty sure I put it in there and it's okay. We have an SVP pipe. You need that for all your toilet mess, your sink mess, and your bath mess, all to go down, travel down into this pipe here. And usually there's a dashed line that shows it. So we're entering lines hidden. That's how we do it. Draw some hidden lines to show that they're all traveling into the same pipe and headed into the SVP, the soil vent pipe. We have an SVP here as well for the washing machine water and the sink water. Now it might be enough to just have everything go to that one pipe over there. but I've just put an extra one in there just in case, and I've encased it with a simple wall, a 70mm stud wall with plasterboard on either side. There should be some rainwater pipes on the outside. I'll have to throw them in at some point. So let's have a look at this bathroom in 3D. Again, it'll be available on Patreon. And I believe these doors and windows, I think they're at brick dimensions. So I think they're set along the wall at brick dimensions. Or maybe I hadn't thought of brick dimensions before I put them in. Yeah, we have 2 bedrooms here. And I've put this space in here for some reason. I think it's another accessible space. So this square, I need to use it to put furniture in this bedroom. And I'm going to use this square to make sure nothing clashes with it. And I think this space is supposed to be all around the bed. I'll need to check what the space is supposed to be around the bed. Maybe it's in front of the bed, 1200 by 1200. So I'll have to check that. And this is an inbuilt wardrobe, which needs a door, a storeroom. Don't know what this is supposed to be yet. A study room. So we'll turn this into a study room. If you want, I can try and make it up on part 4, or I can just update it myself and throw it up on Patreon and you can have it. Let's get one more look in 3D. I like looking at this kitchen, it's nice. Yeah, it took some work to put this together. I mean, I think anybody would be happy with a kitchen like that. Might be a little bit far to walk from the cooker to the fridge to grab your ingredients. But there's plenty of space in this corner to keep your ingredients. We have a back door. And what else? Yep, so I need to update this bedroom with furniture, this one too, and this one as a study room. And I need to sort out this living room area. I don't know if I'm going to put the dining here or the living room area there. We'll see. So, if you're interested in me developing this house some more, let me know. If you want me to just start a brand new house and just make something totally different and new, let me know. And if there's any other request you have, let me know and we can play around with it and see what we can make. Want to see how it looks completed? You probably know already. Wow. How much would this house cost in real life? Bungalow, I mean. Okay. Link to Patreon is in the description below.